Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Comey here, and the date is Sunday, the 19th of March, and this is our Forex Sunday review to have a look at last week's setups and what we can see playing out for this week. So last week, I could only really see one thing that was setting up, which was this pound dollar. We were looking to go long from this zone, and it's hit our take profit one, our target one, and that was about 170 pips, currently up about 250 pips in profit from that signal. So that's still ongoing. Target two is a little bit further up, but at this point, we will not lose any money if we're managing our trades properly. So we'll need to manage our trades, make sure we're taking profits, closing the full position, half position, quarter position, etc. At target one and manage that trade. So I'll be doing a video later in the week on trade management, so look out for that. That's going to be a pretty important video to make sure we can preserve our capital. So that was last week's only setup. This week, I'm looking at a few things that could be potentials, and this is the first one here. So this is dollar Swiss franc, and I'm looking at. Let me just get rid of this. That was some profit from my previous trade. So I'm looking at a level in and around this zone. For a bull run. So I'll be looking for the market to move up in and around that zone. Now, looking at market structure here, we ideally would like our stop losses to be underneath the more significant swing low. So what I'll do is move that level a little bit lower, and we'll be looking for an entry technique in and around this zone where we'll take that trade to the long side. So there's still potential downside left, and then we'll take that going up. So our levels would be stop losses or void entries would be at this zone here. Let me just put our stop loss here. So that would be. So if the market gets beyond this zone, the structure is invalidated, and we will not be looking to take any trades if the market gets beneath this zone. But if we're within the zone and we get a long entry, we will take that moving up. The first target level would be at this zone here. So let me just get the target one put up. And we'll be looking for a second target in and around this upper zone here. So that will be our target two. So that's the first one I'll be looking at for this week. The Swiss franc, we're looking for long trade setups, and we're looking for it to go within this accumulation phase of a market move. The next one this week is New Zealand dollar. Now, New Zealand dollar, we call this about a month ago, well, certainly a few weeks ago, we call the short. So as we can see, we've already hit target one and target two on this trade. That was not sure how many pips that was from potential entry. So yeah, that's about 250 pips. It's continued to do another 400 pips, but we would have come out in and around target two. Now I'm looking for further movement to the downside to at least this zone here. So off the back of that, let's just tidy this up a bit. And I'll be looking for something in and around. I'll just move these down, so that's going to break our previous structure. I'll be looking to take stops anywhere around here. I'll be looking for a breakout entry. So if the market breaks and closes beyond this level here, just set that to default, put a standard black line on. In fact, we can have a sell stop order. So if the market breaks this zone, I'll be looking to take that short, and we've got our targets 1 and 2 to continue the downtrend. So that's something to look out for. On this, I'll be managing the trade quite closely, because we will want to make sure that we secure as much profit as possible. There's not too much downside potentially from what we can see on structure. So we'll be looking at that trade. The final one is something we've already given out. So have a look on our signals page. This is something which we posted last week, Tuesday, Wednesday. We have a structure here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We anticipated it moving up slightly and then coming back down, and that's what it looks like it's doing. So let's just wait and see if that plays out. If it does, then fantastic. So yeah, that will be the levels for today, or this week. Those are the charts we're paying attention on. I will put a video out later on in the week on trade management, and that is going to be very important. So guys, until next week or later on this week, happy trading, and we will speak to you later. Have a good week.